Friends, welcome back to the channel. Come on board with me and let's see if we can fix the windshield wiper fluid in this 2006 F150. Let's turn it on. There you go. You can hear the pumps. It's trying to work. It's a weak spray and the spray is awfully low. So let's see what we can do about fixing that. All right, let me show you what I'm noticing. While there is some liquid coming out where it's supposed to, take a look right in here and you'll see that I got fluid going where it's not supposed to go. See right down in there? Okay, so we've got some kind of leak going on. Okay, so the good news is I think we've identified what the problem is. And the tubing that's going to be underneath this cowling right here is either ruptured, it's ripped, it's come apart, something's going on there. Now the bummer is that we need to take this off. To get this off, we've got to take off the windshield wipers. It's a little bit of a process. To remove the blades, we're going to pull up this little notch right here. And at the same time, we're gonna kind of wiggle and pull up on the windshield wiper blade. So this opening up and pull up. Surprisingly easy, not that big a deal. There you go, super easy, it comes off. So again, that's what you're pulling up on right there. Okay, I forgot to press record on this part, so I'm going back after the fact and adding this in. So to get this cowling off, I'm using a tool like this one right here, and you just pull these out right here. They come straight out. Some kind of a tool like this to pull it out. There's one on the other side too, so just 2 of these total. And then the second one is, you've got to take off this weather strip. And then if you look, see this tab right here? So you're gonna push down on this tab, and there's one here, another one here, and then on the second half the cowling over there, there's another 3 over there. So once you push them, this part's gonna pop up, and then it kind of just slips out like that, and then those cowlings will come off. Okay, now we've got it taken out of here. There's our hooks, and then here's our tubing. And why don't we test it and see? It looks like it's doing fine, but something tells me that we got a leak right in here. All right, give it a go there. Oh, okay. Or at least put it in accessory. Oh, there it is. Look, so that Y piece is our problem. The tube looks to be okay, but that little white piece right there is not okay. It's got a crack in it. All right, that's good news. Let me see what we got to do. So let's pull these tubes off and see if we can replace that little Y. Okay, so here's what we did. We ended up cutting off about 1/2 inch off each of the 3 pieces of this tubing. The tubing seems to be in pretty good shape. And this is an irrigation Y I found. So 1/4 inch irrigation Y. We're gonna try this out, see if it works before we go to the auto parts store. Here's the fix. So we have that Y all in place. Why don't we turn it on, try it out, just make sure that we don't have any other leaks. Perfect. All right, let's get this back together. So we just kind of push this up and in, and then we're gonna push down on these 3 tabs. So we wanna make sure it's kind of locked in there against the windshield. Let me put this second piece on. We've got a little gap here, so you kind of need to tuck it up and under, and at the same time, slide them together. Don't forget to replace this rubber gasket here, as we just forgot to put it back on. Okay, let's put the windshield wipers back on. If you look, there's a little notch right here. So this kind of makes it easy. You will have to pull back on this tab though to get it on there. Pretty fast and easy. All right, let's test it out. This should work much better. Oh my gosh, that was like turbo powered. All right, friends, hey, if today's video helped out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, put a comment down below. We'll see you next time.